So today I am going to discuss the method of factorization to solve a quadratic equation in one variable x. There are other methods also for solving a quadratic equation, but we are going to discuss only the method of factorization. X square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in this format. So this is the standard format or form for a quadratic equation. Ax square bx plus c equal to 0. Here this is a quadratic equation. 1x square 5x plus c abc, where a, b, c are real numbers and a cannot be 0, because if a is 0 it becomes 0, then the whole equation it becomes a linear equation, hence a cannot be 0, but a, b, c are real numbers. First we take the coefficient of x square, which is 1, then b, that is 5, and constant term 6, c. Now 1 into c, a into c is 6, b is 5, b is 5. Now we need to find any two numbers whose product is 6 and whose summation is 5. Any two numbers. So we see that 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So we get 2 and 3, which satisfies this condition that the product must be 6 and summation must be 5. So we have 2 and 3 as the numbers. So what we will do here is we will expand this equation to use the numbers like this: 2x plus 3x, 2 and 3. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Then take x common, it becomes 0. X into x square, x into 2, 2x, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 2, 6. But this is common here, this factor, x plus 2. So it becomes x plus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So we get these two linear factors, this one and this one, equal to 0. Hence, either x plus 2 is equal to 0. That is one linear equation, x plus 2 equal to 0, which means x is equal to minus 2. This one, x plus 2 is 0, so x can be minus 2. Or x plus 3 is 0, this one, hence x can be minus 3. So we get x equal to minus 2 or x equal to minus 3, and that is the solution to this equation. X is either 2, x is equal to minus 2, or x is equal to minus 3. So another Example 0. Another quadratic equation. Here a is 1 x square bx plus c. A is 1, b is minus 7, c is 12. So let us first find two numbers whose product is 1 into 12, 12. Product is 12 and summation is 7, minus 7. So the two numbers are 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So let us expand this equation. X square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12 is 0. Minus 3x minus 4x is minus 7x. Actually we are adding these two numbers because if you put the bracket it becomes addition. So this can be written as x minus 3, 4, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x3 is common, x minus 4 is 0, hence either x minus 3 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 3, or x minus 4 is equal to 0, hence x is equal to 4. Hence x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4, and that is your answer. So let us try another equation where c has a negative sign before it. So similar procedure, a into c, that is 18, and b is 7. So we need two numbers where the multiplication is 18 and the summation is 7. So this is possible only when this is written as right 9x minus 2x. This is actually we are doing the summation how, like this, 9x plus minus 2x minus 3. So that is 9x minus 2x minus 3. So the numbers are 2 into 9, 18 minus 2 plus 9, it is 7. 18, 6 into 3 is 18, 9 plus 2 is 7. So this can be written as 6x x plus 3 3. I need to change this. This will be 3x into 2x to 3. 3x into 2x is 6x square. 3x into 3 is 9x minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus sign, 2x minus into plus minus is equal to 0. Okay, then 2x plus 3 is common. 2x plus 3 is common. Then 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence, either 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, hence 2x is equal to minus 3, hence x is equal to minus 3 by 2, or this one is 0, 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 3. Hence x is equal to minus 3 by 2, or x is equal to minus 1 by 3, and that is your answer. So the basic idea is to expand the equation on the middle term by finding numbers where the multiplication of the numbers is equal to the multiplication of A and C, and summation of them is equal to term B. That is the fundamental idea for using the factorization method in solving quadratic equations. Factorization method, it is not applicable to solving, it is not useful for solving all types of quadratic equations. It is particularly useful when we can, for simpler type of quadratic equations, where we can find that the product of two numbers, we can find two numbers where the product of the two numbers is equal to the product of A and C, and their summation is equal to the term B. In complex quadratic equations, more difficult quadratic equations, we usually use either completing the square or the quadratic formula method. So we will discuss the other two methods in another class. Let us stop it here today.